Hi everyone, it's Randy Crane with Tavala. I am so excited to spend a couple minutes with you today rolling out a brand new product category. We have been working on this for quite a while and we're thrilled to be able to share this brand new category with you today. The category I'm talking about is called micro mists. These are a new delivery method to deliver our product to our customers. We're going to talk about two industries. The first industry is a $44 billion a year opportunity. The second is $32 billion a year opportunity. And we have a product to enter that arena, into that product mix. First, let me introduce Alert. Alert is an inhaler that helps deliver caffeine to our system for a burst of energy or to help us to become alert. So what we're excited about is we deliver just about a milligram of caffeine through our delivery system compared to an energy drink that might deliver 180 milligrams per serving without all the sugars and other additives. Simply the energy bursts. Next, I'm thrilled to share with you our newest product called Snooze. It's a micro mister and it delivers a microparticle amount of melatonin to the body. I'm thrilled to release this because too many people out there experience sleepless nights and have problems sleeping. In fact, one study, there were more than 60% of the US population has complained or complains that they don't get enough sleep because of sleep issues. We have an incredible product that we're going to serve that industry. That industry is a $32 billion a year problem, and we're going to provide a fantastic solution. Let me introduce Snooze. Again, it delivers a microparticle amount of melatonin. It processes through the lungs, it enters the bloodstream, and then hits the receptors in the brain. Every single night, this sits on my nightstand. Now, many times I can fall asleep really well, and I'll wake up in the middle of the night and have a hard time going back to sleep. Not anymore. Simply a little puff in the middle of the night, I lay back down to sleep, and I'm asleep quite quickly. We've had a lot of people who have really enjoyed this product, and we're thrilled to be able to be the only ones that can bring it to you. We've created a video to explain a little bit more about our products.
Did you know that around 60 million people in the U.S. have a sleeping disorder, or that over 54% of American adults consume caffeine on a daily basis? What do these two statistics tell us about our country? That most of us are tired and want more energy throughout our day. As Tavala builds to become the subscription box company with products used daily that improve people's lives, we have an exclusive and unique product that attacks these two problem areas of sleep and energy, the Tavala Micro Mist. Our micro misters come in two versions, Alert for daytime use and Snooze for nighttime use, right before you go to bed. Let me explain how they work. Tavala micro misters utilize pharmaceutical-grade inhalers to deliver a small amount of natural ingredients directly to the lungs. This allows for immediate results and a smaller effective dose necessary. For the Alert Micro Mist, this means delivering an energy boost, felt in seconds for those times during the day when you need a pick-me-up. For the Snooze Micro Mist, this means delivering a small amount of melatonin, a substance produced naturally in the body, for a peaceful night of rest right before you lie down. These micro misters are easy to use. Step 1. Hold the micro mister with the mouthpiece at the top. Step 2. Breathe out. Step 3. While breathing in, press and hold. Step 4. Hold your breath for 3 to 4 seconds, then exhale. That's it! You'll feel the effects within 30 seconds. No calories, no sugar, just better sleep and more energy. So don't settle for fitful sleep or afternoon lulls during your day. Improve your sleep and energy levels and try Tavala's Micro Misters today.
We here at Tavala are absolutely thrilled to be able to launch this product for you today. The ease of use, the convenience, the efficacy surrounding the product, as well as the absolute incredible value that these products bring. We're thrilled to be able to share a product that is patented and is available now for you and your customers. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight, and we look forward to your continued success.